just 3 seconds left for the market open. So let's see which are the sectors and stocks that open with a bit of a green tick. For the market at this point of time, opening with a bit of a green tick, 17,750. The advance decline ratio is firmly in favor of advances as we speak. So the broader market is looking quite excited, and Nifty Bank continues to gain momentum. 42,700 is where it is at. In terms of the top gainers, IndusInd Bank is up 1.4%. You also have Tata Consumers as well as Nestle and Bajaj Auto in focus ahead of their earnings. So let's watch out for that. And within the broader markets, the stocks that need attention are the likes of Biocon, Crompton Consumer, Ipca Lab, UPL. Let's pull up all of these counters and see how they are tracking. Biocon, Ipca Labs as well as Wellspun India. We also have Crompton Consumer, which is reacting to the bit of a news flow. So 7% cut coming in on account of the leadership change that has happened at Crompton, and Ipca Labs too has opened with a bit of a gap down. Sectorally speaking, it's PSU banking that continue to do the best because Maharashtra Bank, Punjab Sind Bank, these are some of the counters which have opened up with a bit of a green tick. And on the losing side, it is IT, which is on the back foot, led by Persistent. Remember, the stock was high by around 3% yesterday. Today, it's opened with a cut of almost a mild 1% cut coming in on Persistent because the numbers were pretty much factored in by the street. Other than that, not big movers, but yes, have to say, Avan, it's Crompton Consumer that deserves mention. And then, of course, the likes of Ipca Lab and Biocon. So pharma stocks continue to be in focus.
They absolutely do, but just at an index level, looks like we're again pretty tempered, at least above the 17,700 mark. Names like from the tech basket, as you said, are a little bit quiet in today's trading session, but on the Nifty 500, here's what stands out. Rail Vikas Nigam doing quite well, continuing its up move. By the way, IBREL, these are some of the buzzers that we've been flagging off. Biocon, as we highlighted, 1.5%. REC, CAT and Union Bank. Kunal, your first trade.
So that will be SBI, the stock which we discussed extensively yesterday, would suggest, in fact, recommend to clients as well. I think it's one of the strongest chart from the PSU banking stocks, and the way the stock has broken past above 550 looks extremely attractive.
Kunal, a quick word on Crompton as well. Would you be a buyer after a cut of 8%?
Not really. In fact, the stock has gone down to another to total 10% down so far. So I'll wait out for the correction to settle out, and I think one should not be in too much hurry to buy the dips in such kind of a market, especially for such kind of stocks.
Kunal, same with Ipca, 7% down?
Yeah, same for Ipca as well.
Okay, Nuresh, what about the first trades that you are spotting?
So continued like IDFC Limited and IDFC First Bank, both are setting up for a breakout move, heading up higher from here. So looking at 90 on IDFC Limited and 65 on IDFC First Bank.
Okay, I just want to address the stock of Crompton Greaves before we welcome on board Sanjeev Prasad as well. Remember, Mr. Khosla has resigned from the post of MD. He's now been elevated to the level of Executive Vice Chairman, and Mr. Prameet Ghosh has come as the MD CEO. Remember, he has the backdrop of being an investment banker. He was also part of the board level as far as Crompton is concerned, but the street for now is not liking it. Remember, since the deal has happened with Butterfly Gandhimathi, we have seen that the stock has been fairly volatile, and now with this resignation coming in, the street is not taking it well. At least at this point of time, the stock seeing a cut of almost 10%.